Your commute home on a Friday is running ahead of schedule, so you decide to go ahead and top off with fuel for the weekend. No problem. Your NEXO's navigation system offers several ways to help you locate hydrogen fueling stations. First, go to the first home screen. You will see the FCEV panel. This panel shows your range, as well as the address and distance of the nearest hydrogen station. Press the FCEV panel. You'll see several panels on the next screen. The first panel on the left shows the overall distance you can drive with the current amount of hydrogen fuel in the vehicle. Tap that panel to enlarge the map. If you zoom in on the map, you'll see any nearby hydrogen stations populate the map. If you have an active Blue Link account, the stations with real-time information will appear blue. Select a station to view brief information about it and to navigate to the station. Tap the eye icon to find out more detailed information, such as hours of operation. You can also find hydrogen stations through the navigation system. To do so, press the Nav button to bring up the navigation menu. Select Destination, then POI Categories, then Automotive, then Hydrogen Stations. You will then see a list of hydrogen stations as well as their location on a map. Use the controller to scroll down the list and press it to select a station. Like we said, in NEXO, getting to your next refueling stop is easy.